in this current world, digital marketing plays a very important role. And you have an institute like Intouch, then there's nothing to stop you from like unlocking your whole potential. They offer multiple bonuses, like they give 100% job placements, an internship letter from a company they have a tie-up with in Perth, Australia. But right now, as soon as I started their class, one class, two class, and now I'm hooked. Like, I'm not even kidding. It's just so exciting, and they make learning seem very exciting and fun. And I know for a fact, अगर कोई और क्लास होती तो I would have quit in no time. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा. ये क्लास में लाइव प्रैक्टिसेस होते हैं. And this ad that I'm running right now, मैं खुद से कर रहा हूँ. सर ने opportunity दी है to like run an ad on my own. If you want to learn digital marketing the right way, then come join me at Intouch Digital.